In this video, I'm going to show you how to send NFTs that you may have purchased on a regular software or hot wallet like MetaMask to your Ledger hardware wallet. This will work for any Ledger device like the S, the X, and the brand new S Plus, which I have reviewed on this channel. Link is up here and down below. This will also work for other hardware wallets like Trezor, following basically the same process. I'm even going to show you how to withdraw your NFTs out of your hardware wallet, as well as how to create an NFT so that you can test the full process yourself and make sure that you got it. It's better to be safe than sorry, especially before you do this with any valuable NFTs that you might have. Not that I have any now, because this bear market crashed all of my crypto and stocks across the board. All right, so two things you'll need first. You'll need to set up your Ledger device and connect it to MetaMask. And if you need help with that, check out my guides linked up here and down below. The first will help you set up the device, and the second is an update that will show you how to connect it to MetaMask. Second thing you'll need is ideally a crypto wallet with an NFT on it, which you might already have if you're watching this video. Don't worry if not, I'll show you how to create one yourself real quick so that you can still follow along. Obviously, I can't show you how to send an NFT on every single platform, so I'm going to show you this on OpenSea, the biggest NFT marketplace, but overall, it's pretty similar across all the other platforms. Shout out to Totally Younger for the request for this video, and with all of that out of the way, let's get into it. All right, so we're over here now. I got my computer plugged in, and we are at the OpenSea website, which is what we'll be using in order to create an NFT, and then later we're gonna be transferring that. So let's go and hit the create button. And let's go ahead and sign this transaction. You can read it if you want, but then just go ahead and click sign. So now we need to upload any video, image, audio, or whatever. So what we're going to use is this photo of a mama and baby giraffe eating a plant, because it's pretty adorable and who doesn't like giraffes, right? So what we're going to do is just upload it straight there. So I'm just gonna upload the JPEG. Okay, it's on there. Let's call it, name is going to be Giraffe Family Feeding Frenzy. If I could spell frenzy, feeding. My God, I can't type. Okay, you don't have to worry about any of this other stuff. External link, description, collection. You don't have to worry about any of this. But the thing that we do want to make sure that we're doing right is the polygon. And you'll see that it says high-speed gas-free blockchain that works with Ethereum. So basically, you don't have to worry about any gas fees when you're using the Polygon network on OpenSea. Just want to clarify, normally this would cost a small amount of gas on Polygon, but OpenSea covers it for you. If you're using Ethereum, you will need ETH in your wallet. So let's go ahead and select this, and then let's go ahead and click create. Now it says almost done. Just making sure I'm not a robot. Okay, so here we go. We've just created the Giraffe Family Feeding Frenzy NFT. So very cool. So we'll go ahead and X out of this, and you'll see that it is owned by me. And again, this is sitting on my hot wallet, my old hot wallet that I don't use, that is not backed by the Ledger. All you need to do in order to transfer this is you click this transfer button right here, and then you paste in the address. So let's go grab that address real quick. So go ahead and click MetaMask again. We're going to click this icon right here. Will open up your accounts, and you'll see that I have two of my Ledger accounts right here. So if you don't have this, then you just click connect hardware wallet and go through the steps. And again, I show you how to do this in my other video that I talked about. So check that out if you want to learn how to get it set up like this. So let's go ahead and grab that address. So we'll click on this one, and you'll see it swap over, and you'll see that this NFT is no longer owned by you, it's owned by this new address that we're on. So we'll go ahead back into MetaMask, we'll grab that address, just click copy a few times just to make sure that we got it. Then let's switch back to the address that the NFT is on. So we'll click that again, and then we'll just click account 1. All right, so now you see again, owned by you, perfect. All right, now let's go ahead and transfer this. So go ahead and click this transfer button right here. So now let's plug in our destination address. So paste that in, and again it says items sent to the wrong address cannot be recovered. So always double check that you are using the right network and the right address. So I know that we are, so let's go ahead and click this transfer button. And now it's going to basically come up with a pop-up in MetaMask after we click this transfer button. So let's go ahead and do that. There's the MetaMask pop-up. Now let's scroll all the way down to the bottom. Looks like we'll have to click this arrow down here just to make the sign button pop up. So let's do that. Okay, there we go. Now click sign. All right, and you'll see that it is now processing. So let's just wait for it to go through in just a second. And there we go. So it says that you just transferred this NFT. And again, that was completely for free. This would have costed you quite a bit of money on the Ethereum network. So one of the benefits of using Polygon. Again, just to clarify, Polygon itself isn't free to use. OpenSea just covers the small gas fee for you. So now let's head over to that address that we were just sending it to. So click the MetaMask icon again. Let's go to our account, and we're gonna use this Ledger 2 account because that's the one that we sent it to. So if we click that, there you go. It says owned by you. Perfect. So now that we have the NFT on our ledger, let's see if we can send it back to the original address that we created it on. So again, we're going to click this transfer button, and we'll need to paste that original address back in. So if you open up MetaMask, we will switch back to account 1, and then let's go ahead and copy that address a couple times. Just make sure that we got it. And now we'll switch back to the account that currently has this NFT on it, which is Ledger 2. And you can again verify that by checking that it says owned by you. And then let's go ahead and click this transfer button, paste in the address, and we'll click transfer and transfer again. And then this is going to come up with the MetaMask pop-up. All right, so there it is. First things first, we need to unlock the Ledger device and then get it ready to approve the transaction. So I'm going to go ahead and unlock this with the PIN real quick. And since we're using MetaMask, we're going to need to use the Ethereum app, which you can see right here. So now that I have that selected, I'm just going to double click, and then you'll see it says application is ready. So now that that's good to go, let's go ahead and approve the transaction on MetaMask. So we're gonna scroll down, click this arrow button, and then click sign. And then, so if that works, you'll see this sign typed message here. So I'm just going to hit the right button a couple times until we get to this sign message right here. And I'm going to just double click here. So do that. And if everything works, there we go. Yep. So that triggered the transfer process back to the original wallet. And you'll see that it is now completed. So if we exit out of this and then go back into that wallet, had to refresh the page, but now it says owned by you, and we're back in that original account 1 wallet right here. So there you go. That is how you transfer NFTs back and forth. All right, so now that we have the NFTs on our address, I'm sure a lot of you guys would love to be able to see it within MetaMask itself under your assets. So there's a couple ways to do this, but the easiest way that I found was to just find the NFT collection that you are looking to add into MetaMask, and then just scroll down and then either find your NFT or some other random NFT within that collection. So I just found this guy right here, which I have pulled up. Then you need to scroll down into the details section, and then you'll see this contract address right here. So go ahead and click that, and that will pop open the contract on the blockchain's Explorer, whichever one you're using. So in this case, it's either Etherscan or Polygon Scan. And then what you want to do is go into this tracker right here that says Bored Ape Yacht Club. So let's go ahead and click that. Wait for it to load. All right, so now you'll see profile summary right over here. Let's go ahead and click this more button. Now, generally this won't work for smaller NFTs. Like for example, if we tried this with the giraffe one that we just created, it would not work. So just a heads up there, but let's go ahead and click this so we can show you how it looks like. So just click add token to MetaMask. Then you'll get a MetaMask pop-up, and then it'll say token, and then it'll show up with the Bored Apes Yacht Club right here. And then over on the right, you'll see balance is 0 because I am a peasant. So let's go ahead and click add token. And okay, that looks to be successful. So let's open MetaMask again. And then we're in assets already. And then if we scroll down, you'll see the token or the NFT that you have added here. So again, you should be able to do this with a lot of NFTs, but definitely not all of them. So that's it. That is all you need to send your cool NFTs to your ledger. You guys are really liking these shorter tutorials, so let me know what you want to see down in the comments. If this video helped you at all, I'd appreciate you leaving a like, and might as well subscribe while you're down there too. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to grab your free crypto and stocks using the links down below, and track them with the portfolio tracker that is also down there. Have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy.